Hello everybody, and here you're gonna see unboxing of true wireless earbuds by Swiss Military. The wireless earbuds come in a box. It is very lightweight. It's got a portable charging case. It's great compatible with all kind of phones and has a good sound quality. The box contains one pair true wireless earbuds by Swiss Military. The charging cable, the charging case, and a user manual. Let's go ahead and open the case. There you go. You'll find this is the earbud charging case. Nice, lightweight. Everything here is inside this. The two earbuds. Let's remove this as well. Okay. This is the small charging cable which gets attached to the case from here, and this goes into the USB charging point. This is the product warranty, and this is the user manual. The most problematic area here when we start using this earbuds is the pairing. I'll show you the quick way to pair the earbuds, and it's not that easy. It's just a simple step and you can pair it. If you don't pair it, you will be able to hear only in one of the earbuds if you use both of them. So once we remove the earbuds from the case, these are two earbuds. Before going any further, we need to pair both of these earbuds with each other. They can work individually as well with your phone, but if you want to use both of them and enjoy the stereo effect, you need to pair both of them together. What we do is we press the button in the back of the earbuds for almost 3 seconds. The light starts flashing to red and blue. We do the same thing with the other one. Now it's all set. Both of them are, and then we tap any one of them. The moment we do it, they get paired and the flashing light goes off. Now they're paired together. Now after this, pair it usually with your phone, the normal way that you pair any of the other kind of Bluetooth device, and it gets connected, and you will be able to enjoy the stereo effects when you listen to the music and streaming of movies or anything. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please share, like, and enjoy more videos. Bye bye.